Students, this is 217th maths class. So look at that star problem on the board. So look at that question carefully, students. Observe this question carefully. So in this problem, we have only x square term. X square, only x square is appearing, no x. So I call this problem as no mixing problem. Mixing is not there. So you go for previous problems and all those. In that you can see both x, x square and so on. But this particular problem, we have only one problem of this type. This particular problem containing only x square, no x term in that. If this is the case, we have a shortcut to solve this. We have a direct method to solve this. Look at this, friends. So I take out that x square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. You do one thing. Put x square equals y. So put x square equals y. So y by y plus 1, y plus 4. So write, put solution. So put x square equals y. Put x square equals y. If I take x square equals y, I am going to get y by y plus 1 into y plus 4. This is possible only for this particular problem. You cannot solve other problems by this method. Look at this, students. Denominator is containing non-repeated factors. Denominator contains non-repeated factors. If denominator contains non-repeated factors, you know how to write a by b by. So a by y plus 1 plus b by y plus 4. So a by y plus 1 plus b by y plus 4. Go for cross multiplication. Y equals y plus 1 get cancels. Remaining is y plus 4. A into y plus 4 plus b into y plus 4 get cancels. Remaining is y plus 1. Now you choose numbers for y. What type of numbers are to be chosen for y means the y values which should make these factors as 0. 0 ಬರೋ ಥರ y values choose ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು choose ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಿ? -4. I can go for choosing -4. I can choose -1 also, right? So put y is equal to -4. Put y is equal to -4. That implies -4 is equal to -4 plus 4, 0. 0 into anything is 0. So b, how much is y? -4 plus 1. So this implies -4 is equal to b into. So you tell me, students, -4 plus 1, -3. So this implies b is equal to 4 by 3. B is equal to 4 by 3. I got b value. So now let us find out a value. So to find a, to get a value, put y is equal to -1. Put, so y is equal to -1. So this implies -1 is equal to y is -1. -1 plus 1, 0. So a into -1 plus 4. So this implies -1 is equal to 4 minus 1, 3a. A is equal to -1 by 3. A is equal to -1 by 3. So a is equal to -1 by 3. We got both a and b. Substitute and integrate. Therefore, Therefore, integration of x square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 into dx. So tell me a value. A is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 y. So what is y? Y means x square. Y means x square. X square plus 1 into dx plus. So tell me b value. B is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 by x square. Y means x square plus 4. So we have formulas for both. We have formulas. So right. Tell me that keep constant 1 minus 1 by 3 outside. 1 by 1 plus x square. Keep the constant 4 by 3 outside. So 1 by 4 means 2 square plus x square into dx. So for both you can use this formula. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square is 1 by a. So tan inverse x by a plus c. So how much is integration of 1 by a square plus x square? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. You apply both. You apply this formula for both. So minus 1 by 3. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. Directly it is tan inverse x plus. Because a is 1. A is 1. Put a is equal to 1. 1 by 1 tan inverse x by 1. How much is the differentiation of tan inverse x? Tan inverse x differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 1 plus x square. ಅದೇ 1 by 1 plus x square ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? tan inverse x. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 square a square. A is 1 by 1 tan inverse x by 1. How much it is? Tan inverse x. I told you that. I told you both. 4 by 3 into. So 1 by a square plus x square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by 2. So tan inverse x by 2 plus c. So 2 2s are. Tell me answer, students. Final answer is minus 1 by 3. So tan inverse x plus. So 2 by 3. So tan inverse x by 2 plus c. That's all. That's it. Let us go for solving one more problem of the same type. No mixed problems. X square by x square plus 3, x square plus 5. Solve. Same type problem. I have given one more problem of the same type. You try. It's a 3-mark question. So same. You try by same method. X square by x square plus 3. Next. X square plus 5. Y plus 1 as usual. Y plus 3. Y plus 5. Y plus 3. So y plus 5. So go for that. Now you solve that. Cross multiply. So y equals y plus 3, y plus 3 get cancels. A into y plus 5 plus b into y plus 5 get cancels. Y plus 3. So now write. So tell me y values to be chosen. First one is minus 5 because I should get 0. Y values which makes 0. You choose y values which makes factors as 0. Put y is equal to minus 5. So that implies minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 0. Next b into minus 5 plus 3. So minus 5. So b into minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. So this implies b is equal to 5 by 2. B is equal to 5 by 2. Next, put y is equal to minus 3. Put y is equal to minus 3. So right, put that. That implies y is minus 3. A into minus 3 plus 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. So this implies A is equal to minus 3 by 2. I got both A and B. Substitute and integrate. You substitute in that and integrate it. So write x integration of x square by x square plus 3 into x square plus 5 into dx a by. So tell me a value. Minus 3 by 2 by y plus 3 into dx. What is y? Substitute for y. Y means x square. X square plus 3 into dx plus b by. So tell me b value. 5 by 2 by y means x square. Y means x square plus 5 into dx. Write that constants outside and integrate. Write constants outside and complete that integration. So minus 3 by 2. Integration of 1 by. You write 3 as root 3 whole square. Plus x square into dx. Plus 5 by 2. So 1 by. You take 5 as root 5 whole square. Plus x square into dx. For both you use same formula. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square. Just before I told you 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. You use that formula for both. 1 by a. So minus 3 by 2. 1 by a. 1 by root 3. So tan inverse x by root 3 plus 5 by 2. 1 by a square plus x square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by root 5. So tan inverse x by root 5 plus c plus c. So answer is, so right students, you write 3 as root 3 whole square. You write 3 as root 3 whole square. If I write 3 as root 3 whole square, root 3 get cancels. So remaining will be r, you write that much only. Minus 3 by, so 2 root 3. So tan inverse x by root 3 plus 5 by, so 2 root 5. So tan inverse x by root 5 plus c. That's all. Let us go for one more question, students. Let us move on to one more question. So right. So next question is. So next question is. Find 3 sin pi minus 2 into cos pi by 5 minus cos square pi minus 4 sin pi into d pi. Pi is a variable. In this case, pi is a variable. Otherwise, everything becomes constant. integration of constant is k into x. You should take pi as a variable. So put star for this also, students. Put star for this problem also. So without practicing, so you cannot attend these questions in exam. Star problems needs more practice required. Star problems means practice more. So right, come to this. So 3 sin pi. So right, solution 3 sin pi minus 2 into cos pi by 5 minus cos square theta. What is cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square pi minus 4 sin pi into d pi. So now 3 sin pi minus 2 into cos pi. So by 5 multiply by minus 1 plus sin square pi minus 4 sin pi into d pi. So write that one more step. 3 sin pi minus 2 cos pi by sin square pi minus 4 sin pi plus 4 into d pi. You observe the denominator, students. You observe that the denominator carefully. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. That can be written as a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. You write that as a minus b whole square. In the next step, so 3 sin pi minus 2 cos pi. So by sin pi minus 2 whole square into d pi. Sin pi minus 2 whole square into d pi. Now you use Putta method. You use Putta method to integrate that. So put sin pi equals t. So this implies cos pi d pi. So differentiation of sin pi is cos pi. Pi is d pi. So d pi equals dt. Substitute in that. So sin pi t. I am taking sin pi as t. Substitute in that. 3t minus 2 cos pi d pi dt by t minus 2 whole square. So t minus 2 whole square. Now you can think of partial fractions for this. Now this should be integrated by using partial fractions, because denominator is containing repeated factors. Take out and you use your methods. So you take it out 3t minus 2 by t minus 2 whole square. You take out that full function. Use partial fractions. A by b by t minus 2 plus b by t minus 2 whole square. So repeated factors, if the factors are repeated, you start from lower power and go up to the power which LHS will have, right? You start from 1, so and stop at power 2, so right? So this is how we write. I explained these things in the previous classes only. Now cross multiply. So 3t minus 2 a into t minus 2 get cancelled. Still one more t minus 2 left over. T minus 2 getting cancelled. So still one more t minus 2 is left over in that. You carry that a into t minus 2 plus t minus 2 whole square, t minus 2 whole square get cancels. Remaining is b, correct? So these two get cancels. So remaining is b only. So right. Now put t is equal to 2. Put so t is equal to 2. Put t is equal to 2. So 2, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. T is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. B. I got b value. Still I need to find a value. But I don't have t values which makes factors as 0. 0 ಆಗುವಂಥ t ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ. You go for collecting x square coefficients and constants. You go for collecting what? X square coefficients. If collecting x square coefficients enough, don't go further. Still if it is required, you go for collecting constants. ಎರಡೇ ಮಾಡಿ x square coefficients ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕಾದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸಾಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ collect constants or t coefficients. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ you constants t coefficients t square ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You can do in any way, no problem, no restrictions. We won't restrict you in any way. You can do in any way. So right, collect t coefficients. Tell me t coefficients. 3. So 3. T coefficient 3. Come here. Come to right side. You come on to right side. T. A into T. A T. Tell me a t coefficient. A. I am getting a value directly. Even same thing can be obtained by one more way. Collect ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಟಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ ಥರ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಿದೆ -2. ಸೊ ಹೇಳಿ -2 into a plus b. Substitute for a. -2 a is 3 -6 plus b. Bring that to this side. At a ಹಾಕಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Which one required? A. Substitute for b. -2 is equal to -2a plus b4. Bring that this side. -4 -2 -6 -2a. How much is a? 3. So I am getting same thing. Even if I go for collecting constants, I will get the same thing. You just circus ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ substitute and integrate. So therefore finally substitute and integrate. So right. Therefore, integration of 3 sin pi -2 cos pi. So by 5 minus cos square pi minus 4 sin pi into d pi is equal to tell me the students, a by b by, correct? A. What is a? A means 3 3 by, so t minus 2 plus, tell me b value. So b is 4. 4 by, so t minus 2 whole square. Complete that integration. So 3 constant, put it outside. 3 constant, put that outside. So write 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Log x. That is 3 into log mod t minus 2 plus 4 into 1 by x square. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. How much is integration of 1 by x square? Minus 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Reverse process. This is 1 by x square. Linear equation. Take this as x. 1 by x square. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x plus c. Substitute back for t. Substitute back for t. So write, what is t? T is nothing but sin pi. Sin pi. Final answer is 3 log sin pi minus 2 minus 4 by t means sin pi minus 2 plus c. Minus 4 by sin pi minus 2 plus c. I hope you understood this, students. Remaining problems we shall discuss in the next class. Thank you.